In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate ClickUp as a guest. By the end, you'll feel comfortable moving around the workspace, finding what you need, and understanding what you can and can't see as a guest user. Let's start with the main navigation on the left side of your screen, often called the sidebar. This is where you'll find the areas you'll use most often. First, click on Home. Think of Home as your personal control center. Here you'll see your most urgent tasks, a section called My Work that organizes tasks assigned to you by due date, and any comments where you've been tagged. If you're ever unsure what to do next, Home is a great place to start your day because it surfaces what's most important and time-sensitive for you. Next, look for Shared with Me. As a guest, this is essentially your main hub inside ClickUp. You won't see the entire workspace or every project the team is working on. Instead, you'll only see the folders and lists that have been explicitly shared with you. This keeps things focused and avoids overwhelming you with information that isn't relevant to your role. You'll also see a section called Favorites. Whenever you find a folder, list, or view that you access frequently, you can pin it to Favorites, so it's always just a click away. This is especially useful if you're collaborating on a specific project and want to jump back into it quickly without digging through the sidebar. Another important area is your inbox in the sidebar. This is where you can review notifications, such as when someone mentions you in a comment, assigns you a task, or updates something you're involved in. Make it a habit to check your inbox regularly so you don't miss any important changes or requests. Depending on what's been shared with you, you may also see goals or dashboards. These give you higher-level views of progress and metrics. As a guest, you'll only see the goals and dashboards that your team has chosen to share, but they can be a great way to understand how your tasks fit into the bigger picture. Now let's move up to the global toolbar at the top of the screen. Here you'll find the search bar, which lets you quickly locate tasks, docs, or messages within the areas you have access to. Typing a keyword, task name, or even a phrase from a comment can help you jump straight to the item you need. Next to that, you'll see a notifications icon, similar to an inbox. This is another place to review updates, especially if you like to handle new activity as it comes in. If ClickUp AI is enabled for your account, you'll see an option for that as well. You can use it to summarize content, generate ideas, or clarify information inside tasks and docs, all within the limits of what has been shared with you. On the far right of the top bar, you'll find your Profile or Settings menu. This is where you can adjust things like your display preferences and personal details. Finally, when you open a folder or list that's been shared with you, look for the Views bar near the top of that area. This controls how tasks are displayed. You might be able to switch between a list view, a board view, or a calendar view, depending on what permissions have been given. Use List View when you want a simple, structured layout of tasks, Board View when you prefer a more visual, column-based workflow, and Calendar View when due dates and scheduling are your main focus. That's the core of navigating ClickUp as a guest. With the sidebar, the global toolbar, and the Views bar, you have everything you need to stay organized, collaborate efficiently, and focus on the work that matters most to you.